Welcome to Proven Academy. In today's course, we will discuss user creation in Proven Jobs. Internal user records are created in 4 different fashions, dependent upon your company's database syncing capabilities. User creation is dependent upon internal company records created either by Proven Desktop Accounting Sync, QuickBooks Online Sync, QuickBooks Desktop Sync, or a manual creation. User name and passwords are created and linked to the internal record created from these syncing capabilities. In order to create a new user within the Proven Job system, company administrators will need to navigate to Relationships and Companies. Once within the Companies section, within the Types section, type in Internal. This brings you to your company's internal record. Select Edit to open. If your company syncs with a QuickBooks database or Proven Jobs Desktop Accounting, your employee records will sync to this company's internal record and be available within the Contacts section. Those employees should sync here and be viewable. If you do not sync with any of those company database, you can manually create your company's employees by selecting Create. Provide the employee's first and last name. At this point, you can either utilize the employee's address or use the company's individual address by selecting the pencil to pull in from the main company record. Please ensure that an email address is associated to the employee's internal record. This is how the username and password is sent to the associated employee upon user creation. Additionally, within this window, you will need to assign associated employee type with this user record. Once your employee types have either synced or been created, navigate to Settings, Users. Here, you will create a new user by selecting Create, then enter in an associated username. Then, in the drop-down menu option, all the employees that are listed within your internal employee records will be available for selection. Employees that have been already associated to a user ID will be grayed out. The associated email address that is listed within that internal record will automatically populate. In the Roles section, you will need to assign a security role to that individual employee record. Please note that only one singular security role needs to be assigned to this individual user. The system will take the strictest of the security roles when assigned. Once all information has been entered into this user's profile, select Save. When Save is selected, an automatic email will send to the user on file with their username and an additional email with their password. Once the user record has been created, it is housed within Settings, Users. Should a user forget their password, company administrators can simply reset the password over in the right-hand column or edit any additional details within the user record.